started with the carving, sharp the stone and start the drawing, kneeling on the sand and waiting for the mentor. Dip the pen with ink and link and make your statement even thick, and hey, can adore the written if it's a canvas. Writing that just can make the mountain smooth and curvy in your note, and hey, writing your life is easy, only way to make it fizzy. Doing it by this day, make the letter stay. Cursive canvas is way. Doing it by this day, make the letter stay. Cursive canvas is way.